Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another weapon used in PUBG, and this time it's going to be the AKM. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the middle section first, and I believe it's called the receiver. So we're going to draw one line straight across first. Okay, and then from there, on this side, we're gonna come down, just kind of come back a little bit, so it's a little kind of a little hook. And then on this side, we're gonna come down the same distance here, but it's gonna be at a slant. Okay, so it's a bit of a tricky shape here at the beginning. And then from here, we're gonna go straight down. And then this one's tricky because we're gonna go straight down, but it's gonna be slightly, just a little bit longer than that one. So that when we connect this, we should get a little bit of a slant, just a slight slant. Okay, so that's the middle section, and now let's fill in the rest of the gun here. So right in the middle of this line here, you can make a little mark, and then this is where we're gonna draw the magazine. So this one's gonna go down pretty far. Okay, and then from here, this is almost like another midpoint here. This is going to be the same curve, but it's going to be a little bit shorter, because we're going to close it off. And then we can add in a little bit of detail, so this one's easy. We're just drawing two lines like this first, just following the same curve. And let's close it off. And for the inside detail, I'm just going to draw two more lines by itself. So I can't go too small with this Sharpie. Okay, so now let's go back and fill in the trigger and the grip. So in the middle here of this line, we're going to make a little mark. And then we'll just come straight down. Come over here, just come straight down. So we're going to draw the area around the trigger. So just kind of round it out and just go straight across. And let's just go ahead and draw in the trigger so we know where we are. Alright, and then in between here, just kind of close it off, so we'll just make it a little bit easier. And then for the grip itself, on the back here, we're going to come down. It's a little bit of curve. And then this one's going to go slant all the way down. And then come back up here. So now I'm going to give this line some thickness here. Just going to come down. And then for the bottom here, I'm just going to give a little bit of a bump. Just round everything off. Alright, and since we're here for some details here, this is going to be two different colors. So we're just going to go straight across. Alright, let's finish up the back section first, since the back section is a lot easier than the front. Okay, so then from this point here, we're just going to slant all the way down here. It's pretty long. So it goes down all the way, almost past the grip. Okay, and then we're going to continue this. And then just almost straight across, just slightly higher, go up. And then just kind of flare out. Close it with a slant. I know these are very odd shapes, so hopefully you can draw those angles. Alright, so now let's finish up the front of the rifle here before we draw in all the little details. So on this part here, we're going to continue this. So this part is kind of the wooden area. Just come down right around here. And now here, just a little bump on the bottom. Straight across. And then we come up here, just connect that. And then on the inside, there's two little hollow area. So right here, I'm just gonna draw two lines first. And then from those two lines, just go down and make yourself a little rectangle. And then from those rectangles, continue on with this line, just go straight across. Alright, and let's go on to the barrel. So right here, just draw a little rectangle here, slightly smaller. And then on the barrel on the bottom here, just draw one smaller rectangle. And then now we're going to draw the barrel going out. So we're going to draw in different sections. So just close that off and then just extend the line a little bit and draw a slightly bigger rectangle. Okay, so we're going to keep going. Go back to the original, the smaller rectangle. Okay, and then we're just gonna, just continue on the same thing, same size. And then for the very tip, just a smaller one. And then on the bottom here, just a little bit of round shape. And then for the sight in the front, let's go up, across, and then slant down. And then on the inside here, just draw one line. Come down, and this one's gonna slant. Okay, so that's the barrel, and let's fill in the other little details around it. So on this side here on the top, I'm gonna draw one long rectangle all the way around here. And then from the corner here, I'm just gonna connect to that corner. And this one's just gonna go straight up. Okay, and then for some extra detail, we can draw one line here, just all the way to this end right here. Okay, a little bit messy right there. Let's come here and draw this knob. So right over the grip area right here, I'm just gonna draw a little circle. And then just go around it. This part's gonna come across and then go up with a slant. And then we're gonna come across a little bit more. And just kind of round it off slightly. And then from these 2 points, just connect that. And then let's come back here. Extend the line across. And it's gonna keep going across. And then on the top here, we're just gonna add one line all the way out here. Close it off, and then on this one, just slant it. Close that off, and then let's see up here, you can add a little rectangle. Bottom here, so these are really small details. And then here we can add in another long rectangle. And then finally just some screws right here in the middle. And that is it for this AKM assault rifle from PUBG. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.